Welcome back to the channel. It is Daily Boosters, where we crack a pack of Magic the Gathering every single day of the week. It is Tuesday, July 3rd, so that means tomorrow is a day off. It has been so hot at work in the warehouse without the air conditioner, so tomorrow will be a much needed day off. For now, as you can already see, we're going to crack into this Conspiracy Take the Crown booster pack. I believe this is not for like modern or standard. I think it's for like commander or like two-headed giant. Not too sure. I don't play, as you've known, I didn't play many sets from a few years ago. This is from 2016. Recently picked it back up within a year. So we're just going to get right into it and see what we pull. Hopefully we get something of value at the end of the pack. First card is Fiery Fall. A 6 mana instant. Deals 5 damage to target creature and has basic land cycling. Raise Dead. Return target creature card from graveyard to your hand. Caller of Gales. A 1/1 Merfolk Wizard. Crown Hunter Hireling. And Org Mercenary. Sorry, these cards like always go all over the place. It's a 4/4 Org Mercenary. When it enters the battlefield, you become the Monarch. You can't attack unless defending player is the Monarch. So I guess you don't want to be the Monarch with that card. Lace the Moon Glove, a instant. Target creature gains Death Touch till end of turn, and you can draw a card. Zealous Strike. Target creature gets +2/+2, gains first strike till end of turn. Fade into Antiquity. Exile target artifact or enchantment. Human Assassin. Thorn of the Black Rose is a 1/3 with Death Touch. And you become the Monarch. I'll have to look into that, what the Monarch is. Repulse. Return target creature to its owner's hand and draw a card. Evolving Wilds. We all know what that is. First uncommon, Burn Away, deals 6 damage to target creature. When that creature dies this turn, exile all cards from its controller's graveyard. That's pretty good. Fleshbag Marauder. I can never say that word. Marauder, I guess is how you would say it. Zombie Warrior, 3/1. Each player sacrifices a creature when he enters the battlefield. Last uncommon is Coilin Oracle, and I hate snakes. Really do. Where's the head of that thing? Doesn't look like it has a head. It's a Snake Elf Droid. 1/1. The rare, Adriana, Captain of the Guard. A legendary human knight with melee. Whenever this creature attacks, it gets +1/+1 until end of turn for each opponent you attacked with the creature this combat. So yeah, this is for like team play or two-headed giant. Like I said earlier, other creatures you control have melee. If a creature has multiple instances of melee, each triggers separately. That's pretty good rare. And we have Emissary's Ploy, Conspiracy. Yeah, you always get a Conspiracy card. That is only for this set. And a Monarch token. So that is a pack of Conspiracy Take the Crown. Leave a like. Please subscribe for more videos. Be sure to check out tomorrow's video to see what set we crack. Until then, peace.